Hey guys, a lot of people have come by to ask, how do I remove my first layer of the Racing Optics Windshield Defense product? So in this video, we're going to show you how to remove a layer so you can successfully do it at your own house. So this is your outermost layer. So that layer starts right here, the outermost line. Your second layer is the second line in, and the bottom layer is right here. We're going to remove this top layer because the product's been on now for about 9 months. First thing you got to do is pull back your windshield wipers. Again, we're going to use our razor blade to grab that outermost layer. Simply pull it back just slightly and grab it with your hand and slowly remove that layer. Simple as that.